Let him cook. Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
Okay everyone, I'm back with another video. Let's give this a go. This should be easy, but I'm not sure how easy it will be, because I know iPhone has a small hole charger plug adapter in it, so yes, I won. First, how do you do this? Okay, one. Okay, it looks tricky. What? I don't know how this works. Right, we're going to plug the 3 fans inside the sockets, so should be easy. Come on, get in, goodness. That was simple. Right, so we're going to try this build where I have to charge all these phones, including the port, the charger, plugs as well. That was actually very easy. I don't get why people struggled on this. For me, it was straightforward, you know, so that's it. Right, this is another charging one. Let's see how I do. Basically to go. So easy. I don't get why people think it's rocket science, you know. Okay folks, this is it. I'm doing the phone charging. This is another one. So always put the big one at the end. This one here. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I have to get the crazy score because I have to land on a laptop. Oh bloody hell. Now. Oh, too late. Oh no. Hit it. Oh, I'm landing so... No. Oh, come on, come on. 0 for that. Really. Oh. Oh, mistiming it now. Again here. Oh, oh. Here, now. Oh no. And you're having a laugh. Let's see. Oh, you're kidding. Come on. No way. Oh, mistimed it. Here. Oh, I'm too late. Way too early. What a relief. Oh, yes.
Remember, this is not just a story. This is our future.
Oh. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh. Oh. Oh, no. I can't score. That's rubbish, man. Look. That's not it. I know there's another score somewhere. Not on the floor. Oh, you're joking. Whoever made this filter never runs out of ideas. That's what I believe. That's outrageous again. Has to be in the bin. The second bin, not that. Not this bin. The bin that was across. No. I don't want it there. Oh, it skidded off the bin. Oh, you're joking me. Oh, not again. I did it too soon. Has to come off. No. Get in, yes. No, I thought I got that one. That's not the bin. Really, I got 0 for that. That's a total cop out. No. Yes. Aha. That's what I thought.
If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never the goal.
Okay, so what? How did it go? No rounds for 2. No, I did it too soon. It's too far. That's a better score, but... No, I'm doing it too soon, man. Again. I did it too late. Oh. Let's give it another go. Why did I do that? What am I meant to do? Oh. 29. No. That was crap. No rounds. Oh. No way. Let's keep it in the air for a bit longer. Oh. You're joking. Oh. Come on, come on. Yes. Okay, they made another one of those. I'm really not sure if it's gonna land. Oh, got 0 anyway. What the hell? Here. Oh, nowhere near. 700. I'm gonna get it. How did I get there? Again. Damn. I'm really... How many has this person even made? Let's give it another go. Oh! Yeah. Let's see. Oh. That's rubbish. Oh, bruv. Oh! Stop. There's this box over there. Oh! Sugar. I'm gonna have to keep doing that until I get... Oh! I'm not sure what to do, but I know what to do. Oh, yeah. I mean, no. I literally thought I got it. Oh, man. It's gonna get harder each... Bruv, this is difficult. Oh! Stop it. They're willing to torture me for this. But then I'm doing it on myself. Okay. Oh! Why? It's like I'm imprisoned in my own life. Oh, bruv. Oh, I know I could do this. I've touched on it before. Oh. This has to work. Oh! It goes so low. Why? Oh! Come on, come on! Oh! I'm screwed. Another shot. Oh! I can't seem to touch it. This is so frustrating, I'm telling you. Oh, man. Have to do it again. Oh! Oh! It's only twice. I'm too far away. Has to be in line. No way. Have to get within it. Oh, I'm not timing it properly. Come on. This filter's... Can't express my frustrations enough. Come on, man. Why are they making everything so complicated? I know I need to challenge myself, but I'm getting 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 each time. Another round. Come on, this is it. Oh yes, baby, yeah, aha. Oh yeah.